Joining us now to talk more about Michael Jackson and his music is Touré, a contributing editor for Rolling Stone magazine. Hey, Touré, nice to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
I'm reading here, just in, will.i.am is saying, I'm so grateful to have worked with the King. He was a gift to the world. He is a bright light, and I wouldn't be surprised if the world stopped spinning tomorrow. Madonna says she can't stop crying. Your sense of his legacy, having written about him yourself.
Yeah, I mean, it's a difficult day, but I want to remember the positive things. I mean, he left us so much great music. From the child stuff like ABC and Ben, the young adult stuff like Off the Wall, which is the greatest disco album of all time, one of the greatest albums of all time. Thriller, this great pop rock album, which is one of the biggest selling albums of all time. At the time, it was the biggest selling album of all time. 25 million people had that. That's about 1/10 of America. That's an astronomical number. And one of my favorite Michael Jackson albums is Dangerous, where he works with Teddy Riley, and the music gets more funky, and a lot of people sleep on that album, but that's one of my favorites. And, I mean, just an amazing voice, an amazing songwriter, producer. He had a greater control over his career than most artists ever get, because he had so much ability in the studio, so much ability, with marketing, and amazing.
Amazing control of his body, too. I mean, my goodness, what a dancer. I mean, you're absolutely right. All you have to do is listen to some of those songs, and it takes you back. It absolutely takes you back.
And he does so many things. He'll do the sentimental thing, cry on a song like Human Nature, and then he'll do something stronger and meaner like Billie Jean, and then something to make you dance, and then something to make you think, You go to the concerts, and he'd do a little David Copperfield thing, and then he'd do a little militaristic thing, and then he'd do a little love the children and love your neighbor thing, and I mean, he's just giving you all parts of the human heart, in one show. And there's nobody like him. Nobody ever, black or white, ever that big, and some viewers I can already hear say, what about Elvis? No, bigger than Elvis. That was the whole king of pop thing. Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, 25 million records in 1983. I mean, MTV was not playing black artists, and he forced them to play black artists because of the power of Thriller and the music that was played on black radio, white radio. I mean, just, breaking barriers.
He opened the door and actually probably was an example to, for example, a lot of the boy bands that we've seen since. I mean, he really became, not just the boy bands, for many artists.
Absolutely.
And we just quoted will.i.am.
Yeah, no, but when you look at an artist like R. Kelly, as well as an artist like Usher, Justin Timberlake, they're working with the Michael Jackson blueprint.
All right. Well, Touré, thank you so much.